Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to enable the desktop site view on Google Chrome, so you can browse websites just like you would on a computer, even when you're on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your device. You'll usually find the Chrome icon right on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once it's open, you'll be on the main browser page where you can start typing any website address. Now, look at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device, and tap the three dots. That's the menu button, and it gives you access to all of Chrome's settings and tools. When the menu drops down, scroll until you find and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options arranged by category. Scroll down a little until you reach Site Settings. Go ahead and tap that. This is where Chrome manages how websites behave, things like allowing notifications, accessing your location, and more. Next, look for the option labeled Desktop Site. Once you find it, tap on it to open the page. Here you'll see a simple toggle switch that controls whether websites load in mobile view or desktop view. Finally, toggle on Desktop Site. When it's activated, Chrome will start requesting the desktop version of every site you visit instead of the mobile version.